Okay, so before starting to learn about controller design, we'll see the condition of bibostability. So bibostability says that for a given bounded input, we expect our output to be bounded as well. Since we don't want for a given bounded input, we'll expect the output to be bounded as well. We don't want it to explode. Hence, the simple mathematical expression is for a given bounded input, the we shall get a relation such that the output is bounded. Now, I'll directly state the result. So, for a map to be bibostable, it has to satisfy that integral minus infinity to infinity, the modulus of impulse response dt shall be less than infinity. That is, it should indeed be bounded and should not go to infinity. Now, for a general LCC ODE, which we'll use most commonly, um, the uh, the impulse response can be easily represented since we know how to write the uh, transfer function using the coefficient itself, and we separate it into partial fractions. Now it has been separated, and for the integral to be bounded, so we'd expect that uh, so we'll take the Laplace inverse of this, and it has been represented as this. Now we'll see that for the integral between minus infinity to infinity, the modulus of this to be bounded, we require that the real value of each and every root, that is each and every root has to have a negative real part, since it would help in decaying the exponent and it would not blow off. So yeah, so else if we had a positive value, the value at infinity would explode. So hence we would require the real part to be less than 0, so the condition of a map, particularly in this case we are concerned with LTI systems since we have used LCCOD. So for LTI mapping, we see that this condition boils down to each root of the denominator to have a negative real part. So we'll see some examples. So we had discussed the first order system. So we see that the root of this is s equal to minus 1 by t. So again the root is bibostable for choice of t greater than 0. Again we had seen this second order transfer function general, and for this to be bibostable, so considering real coefficients, so if both the roots are negative, then it's obvious that the sum has to be negative and minus a1 is negative, so a1 is positive and the product is positive, so a0 is positive. And even if the roots are complex, they have to have negative real parts, and they would be complex conjugates, so again sum would be negative and product would be positive. So again this condition should hold. So any other general function is represented as this. Now uh, this has all the roots. So this has roots s, this can be factored into s plus 1 s plus 10. So again roots are minus 1 minus 10, and this has root minus 5, so all have negative real parts, so bibostable. Now this has uh, a positive part, this root s equal to 5, so this is not bibostable. Now another, so in when we solve the designer problems, we see that we don't generally have a control on the plant. A plant behaves as it has been dictated, so we have the most control on the controller. So hence we'll design the controller. Now suppose we have a mapping from u to y, which is defined as this. This is the plant mapping. Now we have to choose a controller which maps uh, r to y, r minus y to u. Hence we have a choice of k. Now if we write the general equation, so k of r minus y is u, so we'll substitute u, and this can be written in this form, taking y to this form, this side. So again the transfer function, so in this case the plant itself was not bibostable. This is because the transfer function, as we'll expect, is 1 by s minus 1, so it has uh, positive solution. And this we can choose case such that the transfer function has all the roots of the denominator have negative real parts. So we would expect the denominator to be of form s plus k minus 1. So for the root to have a negative real part, if we choose k minus 1 to be positive, then we are sure that the denominator would have all the roots which have negative real parts. So we'll make the overall system bibostable. So we'll discuss the further design aspects in the next video. Thank you.